I had to redo this video because I was recording facing the wrong way. Fuck. I could just rotate it, but I don't want to. It also gives me an excuse to play with this game more. So, this is my current gear for Keloid Shoulder Blade as it stands right now. I do have more stuff, like this Truggertrike C4 mixer, and then this guitar. But those are two different ways of doing noise entirely. This is my regular noise, I guess. So first up, we have the Air Synth, my favorite thing I've ever used. No wonder Toshi Mikoa likes it. If I go over to like the 18 setting, I can create a cool sound like this. And that's going into the DoD Gonculator ring mod. I can go over to 30, which is also one of my favorite settings on this. And that's, yeah, as I said, it's going into this pedal. And then this goes straight into my mixer. Very cool stuff. So that's the mixer channel 1 for my noise. This is kind of like a part 2 to how to create noise music. This is specifically how I do it since Christmas Day, which was yesterday, as of the time I'm making this video. I got all this shit for Christmas. I got this, I got this, I got this, that, and also that Truggertrike thing that I mentioned a couple moments ago. Yeah. So that's mixer channel 1. That actually threw me out for a second there. So that's how that's done. So that's mixer channel 1 there. Mixer channel 2 is very different. Got most pedals attached to it. So turn that off for a second. This is a tin can with the concert mic taped to it. And I cut it open and laid it flat. Well, actually, it's bent now. Probably creased everywhere. And I just scrape it along my table like this. Oh yeah, also the table's brand new. I forgot to mention that. So what I could do with this is I could turn on the evil filter. And you'll hear how loud the sound is. I don't know if this is a gated fuzz. I think it is, but I'm not too sure. But listen to this. And then this is the before. And then after. You might notice that 2 of these pedals are not switched on. And this is why. Yeah. That's cool. If I put on this setting, it just does noise on its own. That's funny. So yeah, that's going into the evil filter, which is going into the metal zone, which is going into the Zoom PFX 9003, which is going into the DoD death metal distortion. And I think from there, it just goes into my mixer. Final thing. This. So this is a Boz pineapple can. I also scribbled this along the table. this is connected to the Joyo Ultimate Drive and the Behringer Superfuzz, and that's it. This is how this one sounds. And that's what it sounds like without any input. So, yeah. One cool thing with this, the Zoom PFX 9003, and the whole reason I got this is because of this microphone over here. You can see it's focused on the microphone. AGBRT is what I use for the microphone. I don't know how to use this that well, but I know that this is the thing that Government Alpha uses to scream into in all of his performances. I will show you a clip of that right now. So you can see that, yeah, this thing is pretty cool. I probably showed multiple clips, knowing me. It's just so cool. And in one video, it's probably in this one, he even uses the Korg Mini Chaos Pad to do the vocals as well. Very cool stuff. And I guess I'll do a little demo of all this gear in action, so you can see what it sounds like. You won't see it because I can't stand this thing up anywhere, but you will be able to hear it. And I'll tell you what I'm doing as I'm turning everything on. Alright. Evil filters, fuzz on. Evil filter on. Metal zone on. Death metal distortion on. I'm shaking the tune can. Okay, let me put this on the floor so you can hear it better. I forgot to demonstrate how this thing sounds when I scream into it or do vocals with it, so I will show you now. I will turn on these two pedals, the death metal distortion and the metal zone, and this is what I do. I put that microphone up to my mouth like this. Ooh, ooh. Oh, what? It'll help if I turn on the microphone first. Why is it so? Oh, I'm moving this. I don't know. Okay, so turn that on, turn that on. You'll hear the sound change once I turn on the microphone by pressing this button. Yeah. Yeah, that's my new noise setup. I can't wait to pull this away. But yeah, it's very cool.